Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card or memory card into the Huawei 2019. Get your SIM card tool and press it on the left side of the phone into the little hole here. Just press it and you install the SIM card holder. And as you see, we have three places, 1 and 2 for the SIM card. This is the SIM 1 and SIM 2, and the place for the memory card is here. So I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card, and memory card gonna be placed here. If you have a second SIM card, you can place it right here, the both of the SIM card. In my case, I have one SIM card, so I'm gonna install the one SIM card and one memory card here, and just place it here and click it, and that's it. You can turn on your phone. And I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.